Hi everyone, Logan here with Digital Finance Weekly. I wanted to talk today about Wilder World. So this is a new project that just came out this year. The Wild token was released sometime around May. And it's really interesting. I invested in the company. It's one of my riskier investments, and I kind of want to talk about my thought process as to why I invested and why I have some concerns. So what is Wilder World? This is a NFT marketplace, which is supposed to be highly liquid. So buyers can come in and buy up their NFTs. Artists can link with buyers. Buyers can follow these artists. They can even meet them in the Metaverse. And the exchange on this market is supposed to be very smooth and very liquid, is the idea. And then there's the whole Metaverse part of this as well, where they're building this really cool looking futuristic Metaverse for people to meet and for artists to work. And I think it really plays into where we're going. I've been kind of looking into this, and it's really interesting how we interact with the internet today, where you guys are watching this and you're seeing me in two dimensions. We might send Zoom links to connect with people for work or for school, but I think in the future we're going to be setting each other coordinates and meeting in some sort of a 3D metaverse, which this plays into. And as far as investors getting into the space today, I think there are two hot words right now, which are NFTs and Metaverse. And I think that this company captures both pretty effectively. And I think that's pretty bullish for these new investors who are coming in and looking for some areas of high growth still in the crypto space. I think this has a lot of potential. So why did I buy this token? I'd say the market cap, which is below $10 million currently. And then, and why is that important? Decentraland is multi-billion dollars at this point. It's over one. It's been as much as 2 or 3, I think, when we were kind of hitting those all-time highs in the crypto space around May. So there's a ton of room for companies like this to run. So that's exciting. I think the backers give me some peace of mind that this company will at least get off the ground, so my investment won't go to zero. And that would be the Digital Currency Group is behind this. And if you guys follow them at all or are aware of them, they are massive players. There's so much capital behind them that gives me a little bit of peace of mind. You see Jake Paul is invested, which means this company could go to zero. Actually, probably not. But maybe it's nice to have someone in pop culture to be able to, throw this company's name around. I don't know. But yeah, and there are some other tweets out there of some larger, kind of crypto capital groups that are investing in this company. So that's exciting. So I'm not too worried about it getting off the ground and for the product to be basically what they're describing it as. I think that that's pretty realistic, which is really exciting. So overall, and frankly, I like the product. This Metaverse looks sick. I would be there once they set it up. I would probably buy from this marketplace. That looks pretty awesome as well. So that's why I'm invested. Why am I a little bit concerned with this investment? Why am I saying that this is my riskier investment if I think that this company looks so good in the long run? Tokenomics is my answer. So when I look at the price chart, I can see that the max supply is 500 million tokens. I can see that currently in circulation, there are only 20 million tokens in circulation. So what does that mean? I would guess that this company will give wild tokens and increase this supply to incoming investors, which will dilute our holdings, essentially. And so do I think that this company can go from $10 million to even like $500 million in the next 6 months? I know that sounds absolutely moon boyish, but there's so much money on the sidelines. It only takes one hedge fund to buy into this company to actually send it to that kind of a price. And I know that doesn't make much sense. I know that there are a lot of bears in the space right now with where crypto is today. It's August 4th, 2021. We're just starting to get a boost again, but man, there's going to be a lot of mainstream adoption over the next 6 months. And I don't think people realize how much money these hedge funds and different investment groups have to inject into the space, especially if the stock market isn't performing as they would like and inflation is high. They need returns. And so I think we're going to see the market absolutely flooded with cash over the next 6 months. So, but again, to get back to my point, this company can go from a $10 million market cap to a $500 million market cap. And depending on how they shift their supply of tokens, I can make maybe double my money. That's nothing. Like if they really diluted their supply, they could do that. And I haven't been able to find any good information on how they're going to actually release this token as of yet. It's early in the project, so maybe they're just kind of waiting to get there. Maybe they don't want to let us know that they will give additional tokens to investors or things like that, which will dilute the supply. So we'll see what happens there. That is a concern of mine. But my plan, guys, is to really ride this Bitcoin halving wave. If you guys have been in the crypto space for a while, you'll see in 2013 and 2017, every 4 years you get these massive waves into the crypto space. It sends Bitcoin flying, followed by Ethereum, followed by altcoins. And I think that this company will benefit greatly from that. Where I'm buying at 45 cents, I'm hopeful to sell closer to, something like $10 would be excellent. But we'll have to see what happens. So yeah, assuming they don't at least dilute my supply for the next 6 months, this could be a great investment. I may sell if we see crypto pumping massively, if Bitcoin's over even 150K, especially over 200K, I'll probably sell a good amount of my positions, and then I will start buying back in a bear market. So it'd probably be late summer into fall of 2022. But I'm not Nostradamus, so we'll just see what happens. But this is a company I'm going to follow even if I sell, guys. If this company is seeming to deliver the product that they're offering, I'm going to dollar cost average right back in the next bear. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out Wilder World, check out their website. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this project. And let's talk about it, because there's a lot to discuss in this space. A lot that I could be missing. If you feel like I'm missing anything to its value proposition, let me know. I'd love to know. So thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.